Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install and set up Gboard on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Gboard.
Gboard. And delete B
and click on Gboard. If you want to install Gboard, install Gboard from here. After install, go back to home screen. After installing Gboard is showing on your app list. Go to App Library and click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard and turn on Gboard button and click on OK. So you will see Gboard is set. So after setup Gboard, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install and set up Gboard on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.